In today's fast-moving market, smart business owners look for products that are cheap to run but bring in strong profit. The Go&Go automatic helmet washer is a compact, easy-to-use machine that helps you turn hygiene into income. Especially in countries where motorbikes are used every day. Spend only 20 cents, earn up to $1 per wash. Each full cleaning cycle takes 10 to 15 minutes and include washing, steam sterilizing, fast drying. The total cost to run one cycle is less than 20 cents, covering electricity, water, cleaning solution. But your customers are happy to pay $1 to $2 per wash, meaning you can earn 500% or more profit from each helmet. Idea for Southeast Asia's motorbike culture. In countries like Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia, and the Philippines, people wear helmets daily, but they rarely clean them. This can lead to bad smell, bacteria buildup, skin problems. Since COVID, people care more about hygiene and are willing to pay for quick, affordable cleaning service, especially when it only takes a few minutes. Easy to set up and use. Plug into any 220 volt or 380 volt power. Built-in water tank. Add the include cleaning liquid. Press the button and it works automatically. The machine also shows how many helmets are cleaned daily, so you can track your income easily. For example, clean 30 helmets per day, earn over $20 per day. That's about $600 per month from just one machine. Made in Vietnam, ready for export. Manufactured in Ho Chi Minh City, these machines are already working in real shop and ready for worldwide shipping. Delivery takes about 30 to 40 days from order date. You're welcome to visit our factory. Request a virtual tour. Start small, grow fast. Whether you are a franchise owner, a small business investor, or a city officer improving public hygiene, this machine offers low investment, fast return in 4 to 6 months, easy maintenance, high demand in growing cities across Asia. At just 20 cents per use, the Go&Go helmet washer is more than a machine. It's a smart business tool for modern world. Contact us today to request a quote or become a local distributor.